Just finishing off the back doors now. I've got these brackets I'm putting in with these 1/2-inch sheet metal screws and then 1.25-inch drywall screws, just to give my planking something to screw into. And I went pretty light on the spray foam on the door. I didn't want to mess with any of the drain holes at the bottom, and any of the locking mechanism. So as I put my planking in, I'm just going to stuff the insulation and fill up the cavity with that so that everything can still move. Actually, these are the screws. They're 3/4 inch, not 1/2 inch, but these go right through the metal, hold pretty tight. Door panels are finished. I was able to overlap this door handle here. I think that came out nice. I'm probably gonna add an additional grab handle here to slam the door shut, so you can close it from when you're in bed, because you won't be able to reach this. It'll be below the level of the bed. But I have it all taped off now so I can get a coat of paint on it, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's all painted. Alright, side door is finished. Just need to fill in the screw holes and paint it. I insulated all on the bottom and top, and over here I just pulled that piece off and I spray adhesive a piece of carpeting down just to have something behind there. I don't know if that'll make much of a difference, but I'll have a slight little thermal break. And then also, this plastic piece was kind of rattling, so after I put the carpet behind it, now it's silent when you drive. So I'm gonna give this a coat of paint, and then I'm gonna get started on the wood floors. Getting started on the wood floors now. These are pretty cool. They have a built-in underlayment, so you don't have to put anything under the wood floors. They're actually vinyl, not wood. Just make sure you sweep everything off here. And I put a few screws, just pre-drilled a few countersunk screws over here, just to keep everything in place while I'm tapping everything in. And then I'll have a aluminum trim piece at the end that's going to cover that. So what I like to do is get the whole piece together here first, and then put the whole row in at once. Makes it a little bit easier. And then once that's in, I take a little scrap piece, lock it in the groove, and just tap it. That way it doesn't damage the edge. Kind of all locks in. Couldn't get any easier than that. The other thing I like to do is stagger the seams. You don't want to have a bunch of seams all lined up. It looks bad, so I kind of make random cuts so they're kind of all over. I think that looks best. Wood floors are all done. Really happy with the way this came out. I think I'm going to end it here for today, and not sure what I'm going to work on next. Maybe the wall cabinets, maybe the solar system. But like and subscribe, and I'll have some more videos coming out soon. Thanks a lot.